Before we begin, please consider subscribing and liking the video to support the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use snap layouts and snap windows in Windows 11 to quickly organize multiple apps on your screen. Windows 10 introduced split screening and window snapping by simply dragging applications to the edges of the display, and Windows 11 continues to support that feature. But now, there is also a newer and more intuitive system called snap layouts, which gives you even more control without requiring any dragging at all. To get started, you first want to make sure the snap layouts feature is actually enabled. So open your settings by clicking the Windows Start menu or searching for Settings. Once you're inside, go to the System category on the left side. From here, scroll through the options and select Multitasking. At the top of this menu, you will see a section called Snap Windows. Make sure the toggle for Snap Windows is turned on. With that enabled, you can now use snap layouts on any window. Open any application, and instead of dragging it to the corner of the screen, move your mouse over the Maximize button at the top right corner. Don't click it, just hover over it for a moment. A small pop-up will appear showing several layout options. These layouts can include 2 windows side by side, a 3-panel setup, or even a 4-panel grid depending on your screen size. For example, if you choose the 2-panel layout and click the right half, Windows will automatically snap your current window into that space. On the opposite side, Windows will show your other open apps. Simply click the one you want to appear in the left section, and it will slide right into place. The same process works for the 3-panel and 4-panel layouts. You always start by selecting the position for your current window, and then Windows will guide you through filling the remaining slots with any other applications you have open. This gives you a clean and organized workspace in just a few clicks. And remember, the classic method from Windows 10 is still here as well. You can click and hold the top bar of any window and drag it to the left or right edge of the screen to snap it into place. Dragging to a corner allows you to arrange it into a quadrant for a 4-window layout. You can mix and match both methods depending on how you prefer to work. Snap layouts make multitasking much easier, especially if you're using a large monitor or you like having multiple windows visible at the same time. And that's all you need to know to start using snap layouts effectively in Windows 11. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials.